To all, this is for class 8th GK. Class 8 we had done till chapter number 19. Today I am going to start your chapter number 20, AdMad. In this we will study the use of advertisement. That if advertisement is good, then it will motivate the buyer to buy more product. The purchasing behavior of the customer can be influenced by attractive advertisement. If the advertisement is very attractive, then the purchasing behavior of the consumer will be affected by that. So let us see some facts of advertisement. First one is logo. Famous logos have two things in common: distinctiveness and simplicity. Logos help customer to identify a brand. The more unique a logo is, the more recognizable it becomes. The more complex a logo is, the less likely will it be remembered by the people. So logo means sign, like this sign. Logo is very necessary for every product. This is the identification of the brand. Like this is Dell. So this, by seeing the logo itself, one can identify that this product is of this brand. So that is why logo is very important for every brand. Now, General Mills of the USA earned the world's first singing commercial on the radio entitled "Have You Tried Wheaties?" On the Christmas Eve of 1926. It featured four male singers who were eventually christened the Wheaties Quartet. So in 1926 of the Christmas Eve, General Mills from USA, he was the first to sing a commercial on the radio. The title was "Have You Tried Wheaties?" Now, a jingle is a memorable short tune with lyrics used in radio, television, broadcast and advertising slogan. Jingle is also a short tune which is used in the radio, television and advertisement slogan. The Nielsen rating system exists as a way for station to determine how successful the television shows are, so that the rate to charge the advertiser for their advertisement can be decided. So one rating is there, Nielsen rating, according to which we will identify, or one should identify, that how successful the television show is going on. According to that, the rate of the advertisement is charged. Creative work in advertising is for the thrill of creating the next big campaign. But there's also a nice little reward when your work is recognized as one of the greats. Clio Award, Radio Mercury Award are a few awards given for the advertisement. Learn more about the different type of advertising award in the business. So in business there are more variety of awards explained. Here only two awards are explained, that is Clio Award and Radio Mercury Award, which is given to the one whose advertisement is very best. Now in 1950s or 60s, average length of an advertisement was 1 minute. As the year passed, the average length shrank to 30 seconds and often 10 seconds. So earlier in 1950s or 1960s, the length of the advertisement was for 1 minute, but now it is of 30 seconds or sometimes 10 seconds. Now TRP, target rating point, is the term used to rate the channel. Every channel tries to achieve the highest TRP. Try to find out how it is calculated. So target rating point, it is used for rating the channel, and every channel work very hard to increase their TRP. Now coming on to next page 35. Which is your favorite advertisement? You have to write here your favorite advertisement with their punchline. This is your homework. Now you have to match this. First one, there are something money can't buy. For everything else, theirs. So first answer is MasterCard. This is your first answer. Now second is Prakriti ka Ashirwad. Second is Patanjali. Second answer is Patanjali. Third, just do it. Third answer is Nike. Third answer is Nike. Now fourth, make believe. Fourth answer is Sony. Fourth answer is Sony. Next, connecting people. Fifth answer is Nokia. Fifth answer is Nokia. Next, the taste of India. Sixth answer is Amul. Sixth answer is Amul. Next, think different. Seventh answer is Apple. Seventh answer is Apple. Now, I am loving it. Eighth answer is McDonald. Eighth answer is McDonald. Impossible is nothing. Ninth answer is Adidas. Ninth answer is Adidas. Then eat fresh. Tenth answer is Subway. Tenth answer is Subway. So these were the punchlines and we have to name the brand. Like this it was match the following. Similarly, in part C, you have to create jingle or punchline for the following and be a copywriter. So these products you had given and you have to write down the punchline for these products. This is your homework. This you have to do it by your own. Now your chapter is completed. Next chapter I will explain you in next class. Till then, thank you.